Hello students and welcome to Smartkidz tutorials. In this video we will be learning how to find mean of grouped data. Problem given to us is a survey on heights in centimeter of 50 girls of class 10 was conducted at a school and the following data was obtained. That is given in heights in centimeters of the girls. So it's 120 to 130, 130 to 140, 140 to 150, 150 to 160 and 160 to 170. The number of girls that fall within this height ranges are given as 2, 8, 12, 28. So that becomes our frequency. What we need to do first is we need to get the total of this. So that would be n and that comes to 50. If we add this up, we'll get 50. We mark that as n equal to 50. Then we need to get the cumulative frequency. So for cumulative frequency, we keep adding all the observations one after another. So first one will just be 2, next will be 2 plus 8, 10, 10 plus 12, 22, 22 plus 20, 42, 42 plus 8, 50. This 50 should be the same as the 50 that over here. If you do not get 50 over here, or if in other words, if the numbers here and here do not match each other, that means you've got your calculation wrong in adding up either this one or you maybe even both. Okay, so now that we have got the total number of girls as 50 and the cumulative frequency as well, let's see why we need the cumulative frequency. So for that we'll have to look at the formula in that we need to use in order to find the median. So the formula is given as median equal to L plus in brackets n upon 2 minus CF whole thing upon F into H. We look at what is L, N, CF, F and H. So here's the legend. It says L stands for lower limit of the median class, F stands for frequency of the median class, N stands for the total of the frequency, which we have already found out as 50. H is the class size, which we know is upper limit minus lower limit, and CF is the cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class. So we'll come to that. So how do we find the median class in this? To find the median class, we have to look at the frequency column 20. Okay, the class interval corresponding to this frequency, that becomes our median class. So if 150 to 160 is our median class, that means this will become our frequency, because we said F is the frequency of the median class. Then we need to take the L. L is the lower limit of the median class. If we say this is the median class, that means 150 becomes the L, which is the lower limit of the median class. Next is the class size. Class size we know is 10, because 130 minus 120 will give us 10. And CF is the cumulative frequency of the class preceding median class. Class preceding median class, this is the median class. Class preceding median class is 140 by 150. We need to take the cumulative frequency of this particular class, and that is 22. So 22 becomes the CF. So if we list them down, this is what we will get. Median class 150 to 160, L 150, H 10, N is 50, so N by 2 will become 25, that is 50 upon 2. F is 20, CF is 22. Now let's put all these values, okay, in our formula, which I have written down over here, and we'll get our median. So L is 150 plus N by 2 is 25 minus CF, which is 22, whole thing upon F, which is 20. Put this in the bracket, multiplied by H, which is 10, that is our class size. Okay, let's calculate further. So 150 plus 25 minus 22 gives us 3 upon 20 into 10, and 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, and we get 150 plus 3 upon 2. If we calculate this thing, we will get 150 plus 1.5, and if we add them, we will get our median, which is 151.5 units. So this is how we get the median of a group data. So this is very simple. All you need to do is remember this formula and know how to locate your median class. So if you have liked watching this video, hit the like button, share it with your friends and classmates, subscribe to the channel and keep watching for more such videos. Thank you.